Hey guys, welcome back to MarineMax Rogers. My name is Max Kavanaugh. Today I have the pleasure of showing all of you this beautiful 2022 Nautique GS24 that's right behind me. We're starting off on the exterior, then we'll take a look at the interior. Looking at the exterior, you have this beautiful steel blue metal flake with the haze gray hull bottom. You will have this nice mystic white accent here with the mystic white decals, so it all ties together really nicely, especially with the interior, as you'll find out. Looking up at this tower, you'll see that you have this nice big bimini top up there. It is closed right now, but it does open to the right and to the left to give you lots of shade. You have two tower speakers up there, two swivel board racks to store your wakeboards and your surfboards. As we make our way back here, you'll notice your gas cap fill is right here on the port and starboard side. Gotta slam that a lot harder. Looking at the back of this boat, it's beautiful, just really well designed. You have the mocha brown sea deck here, a nice big swim platform to either sit on or to get your wakeboard boots on if you want to. You have a nice step up here and into the cockpit, just a nice big walkway. You're not gonna be stepping on any upholstery, which is great. You have your two transom seats that you can sit at while the boat is not moving, so when you're anchored or just at a standstill. Okay, again, you're gonna have a grab handle here, stainless steel, to get you up and out of the water a little bit easier. Down below, your NSS surf plate is right here, so your Nautique surf system. You have your NCRS right here, your Nautique configurable running surface. Your standard Nautique surf pipe right here, and it also comes equipped with the underwater lights. Okay, so now we pointed out the features in the back here, let's go take a look at the interior of this GS24. Hey guys, welcome to the interior of this GS24. So up in the bow, I'll start off, you'll see that you have plenty of space up there. So on each side, you're gonna have two cup holders. You have two speakers up in the front, and they are JL Audio speakers. You have nice stainless steel grab handles, and then the seats that you'll see do lift up, and you do have storage underneath those seats, which is nice. Inside the storage compartments are lined with sea deck, so it's just really well finished off. Nautique is known for that. They do a really nice job with just their all-around finish from the interior all the way into the storage compartments, and you'll see that. Okay, looking at the helm here, you have a nice big oversized ski mirror here. The actual helm chair itself is a race car inspired, so you have nice bolstering in the midsection down by the thighs. You have a cutout right here, so it makes it easy to actually turn and talk to people that are in your cockpit area. Okay, and you'll see that over here by the helm, you have a nice big link pan array, your premium wrapped leather steering wheel here with this 3-spoke design. It looks super sharp. Off to your right, where your armrest is, you have your throttle, and you do have the encoded rotary dial with your hotkeys around that. And Nautique feels you will use those hotkeys the most. That's why those are there on the armrest. Okay, so just user-friendly things that Nautique has done. Okay. Over on the passenger side, you will see it's got a recessed glove box, which is great for driver visibility through the windshield. Okay, the seat will lift up here, and you'll have storage in there. Right now the cover's in there at the moment, but you have a lot of deep storage in there. And the interior color that we are currently looking at is actually haze gray, and it does have some of the haze gray true weave here, so it just looks really sharp. You have some of the mystic white accent piping, ties together nicely with the exterior, so it's just a really cool boat that feels definitely a little bit unique, but also is tied together really nicely. As we move back into the cockpit area, you'll see that we do also have the enhanced courtesy lighting package in this boat, because it does have the RGB lighting around the cup holders. You can change those colors to whatever you would like, pink, green, blue, really anything, which is cool. Gives you more added customization to the boat when you're on the water. So just looking at this back area too, you'll see that all of these seats do flip up. They are on supported hinges. A little bit of storage underneath here, and it's nice that they're on supported hinges because you're not picking a seat up and moving it somewhere, which is just convenient. Now this seat does have a cooler underneath it. This seat also has a cooler underneath it. I would say you don't necessarily need both. Maybe you do, but you don't necessarily need both, so it could be used as a lot of storage if you take one out. To flip up this seat here, you have a garbage can right here, which is nice, easy to access. This seat again will have more storage underneath there. And you do have USB outlets here just to stay connected to your phone, which is great, especially in this day and age when everybody has a cell phone. Again, the cup holders here, 3 on this side, you have 3 on the other side. You do have some cup holder, actually holders in here, which is nice. Lined with C-Deck, so your phone's not gonna be scratched up. JL audio speakers, just really well designed. Now, as I make my way to the back, I can pop this seat, move it, and I have a nice walkway, actually all the way up and out of the boat. That way you're not stepping on any seats. You have a ski pylon on this GS24. It is a crossover boat, so it's designed to ski, surf, and wakeboard. Really easy to put back into place. You'll see when I open up both hatches here, they pop up like so. But inside here we have the supplemental ballast in this GS24. That gives us additional ballast to create that bigger and better surf wave that we all desire. It's a 3-hatch design as well, so you open up the 3rd hatch, you have your PCM engine in here, your ZR4. There's a 400 horsepower engine, plenty of power for this GS24. It locks up like so. Everything just feels very nice when I close things up. And as I walk out, you can just see how easy it is. Now I'm already at the back of the boat, just like that. So guys, this is the Nautique GS24. It's a 2022, it's brand new. It's here at the MarineMax Rogers location. I would encourage anyone and everyone that's interested in this boat to give us a call or come stop by. We'd be glad to help you out or walk you through the boat. Thank you and have a great day.